Bhavani ma'am is a high-performing risk and assurance professional and currently the head of Internal Audit and SOX of Infosys Limited.
So here coming to a quick overview of tools and resources. I use Microsoft Excel Power Query. I use it regularly. My entire team uses it regularly. We use it to prove the hypotheses first on our desktop. We don't need to get our IT guys involved. Where we are really using them a lot is on the obtain and validate stage. We use IT a lot to help us pull the data because we don't know how to query the corporate database. But once we get the data, we use Power Query on the desktop. We use Power BI here as well to basically prove the hypotheses. I just wanted you to see, right? Those who have not used Power Query yet, I'm just showing you where it is. If you have, wonderful. Go into your Excel. This is O365. I think it's in Excel 2016 and above. It says basically you can divide person's thinking and communication styles into 4 parts. There is an analytical thinker, there is a structural thinker, a relational thinker, and an experimental thinker. And these are the kinds of people you work with every day. Right?
Technology is changing so fast and disrupting the industry faster than ever, which in turn making our skill sets deflate or depreciate. So how do we cope with the technological changes as a professional and stay relevant in the industry?
So like I said, think of lifelong, there are 2 skills. Okay, your analytical thinking skills will not get depleted. So that makes up, I would say, 60% of minimum of an internal auditor is their capability to think and analyze patterns and come up with hypotheses and theories. That won't get depleted because of advancement. Now the 40% or so that where you are, this is where your lifelong learning investment is essential. Unfortunately, the industry will evolve and faster than ever before, which means that tools that are in the marketplace are evolving even faster. But as internal auditors, we are not the first users of the latest technology.